Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh, Dad's gonna kill me.
The Buddhists were frustrated by the meeting with Vienna. They organized marches, hunger strikes, and memorial services honoring the dead at Buena. VM chose a hard line in response to the protests. Demonstrate.
What are you doing?
Yeah, like in the truck or in the car rather, left out of Bothell solo.
Oh!
Fucking hell!
Jesus! Video protected.
Fuck, man!
Isn't it Japan?
Man!
Jesus, மணக்குது கடவுளே ஏசப்பா இந்த தகப்பனே
I just got that on Dashcam.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna stop. Whoa!
For shutting down the Department of Education, and we're going to be taking a deeper look at the issues in the coming days. But broadly speaking, Dakota, platform we're elected.
Shit. Well, it's going to look like what Donald Trump has been arguing for. You know, this is the shortest platform that I can remember.
It wouldn't have seemed like anything necessarily out of the ordinary at the time for anyone looking at the primary radar. It appears as though the plane was now completely manually controlled as it headed further southeast. Departing the...
You have to make that U-turn. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yes, I stop.
Where the f*** is he looking?
Oh, it's not. Alright. I'm watching. Oh,
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.